Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing good. I am back with yet another recipe, a different version, Palak Kofta recipe. Very delicious and a different recipe. Do try this and give me your feedback. So let's get started. For this you need keema 500 grams, 1 cup of palak, coriander leaves, salt to taste, chili powder 1 teaspoon, you can add according to your taste. Then ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. This is 2 medium sized onions, grind to smooth paste. You can use the mixer also. Now I am adding the besan powder 4 tablespoon to bind the koftas. Do not add more, and it will become hard, so you have to grind the stick to this smooth. If it is very dry, you can add water and grind it. So let's make the round balls. This is a standard size ball koftas. Fry this in a medium hot oil. Do not over fry this, just to bind it. Give a golden brown color. Fry till it is golden brown color. Fry from both the sides. Very delicate, so you have to handle it properly. Do not mix it as it has tendency to break. Now remove it carefully in a plate one by one. After frying the kofta, let's make the gravy for this. Simple gravy. I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. To this I have 1 big size boiled and pureed onion. After onion is fried brown color, add ginger garlic paste and tomato puree. After the tomato is cooked, add the chili powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. As my video got skipped, so I have added ginger garlic paste, then tomato puree, then chili powder and turmeric powder. Make a smooth gravy, then add salt to taste. After the oil comes out, add the koftas one by one carefully. Now add little water and leave it for dum for 5 minutes. At this stage, all the raw besan and the kofta, everything will get cooked. Just 10 minutes, that's it. Now add the chopped coriander leaves and serve it with rice or roti. Very delicious and a very easy recipe. Do try this recipe and give me your feedback. Hope you all like this recipe. Follow more for more different recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.